Hello friends, I am Shyam Bhatia and I welcome to on E Academy. Today we will discuss Marquee in Python. Let's start. Using animation like a Marquee which is generally used in HTML. Let's see, this is the Marquee from right to left and it is the uncertain way, or it is the not in a ordered way, it is just left right moving that way. Okay, so let's see the marquee. Then the marquee is moving randomly where I maximize that thing. Then on the whole window marquee are moving as the marquee required, as the marquee directed by the required function. So this is the main fundamental thing in it. So we will discuss how to marquee will move, and if you want to up and down, then just check it. Then here you will find it is the motion of up and down. Okay, so in this way, in this program you will discuss how to do that. So let's start. Go to the Python terminal. So go to the start button and type here IDLE. This is the Python terminal. Open it here, create a new file, Control S, and this is the place where your Python is installed. If you want to save that thing at that location, then leave it as it is. But if you change that location instead of that by default location, so you have to give the name, give it name, and extension .py is not required because it is the Python file. Okay, so give it whatever you want to do, give the name and go to the save button. Okay, tk enter and in library. So from tk enter import the all function, and from random import the all function and classes of that module and import the random. And now create a object of tk enter. So this is the parent object and equal to tk and here. And now this object act as a root window. So Shyam dot give the title, and inside the title you can give marquee animation in Python. Okay, this is the title of your project. Now go to the Shyam dot customize as width and height. So give it geometry and pass the dimensions. Let 1000 by, let's say 700, and now run it. Shyam dot main loop. So calling the main function, Control S and press F5 or go to run, and you will find the blank window. Yes, this is the blank window, and marquee animation is the what? Head. And what you know that is the title. Okay, let's start. And now you can give the background color of that marquee of that window which is made in tk enter. So just Shyam dot configuration config and pass the value whatever you want to pass. Let's say bg, it is mean background color, and here you will pass let's say green or whatever, blue. And now Control S and run F5, then you will find that window what you need. So it is the fine logic, it is the fine. Now go to the below and create a level, and this is the user defined level, and inside the level you can marquee animation in Python. Okay, this is clear. This is the words which will, or this is the text which will appear on your window. which you have made in that. Okay, give it name text, and this label where we paste, this label will paste on Sham. Sham is the parent window, like that a wall, and on a wall we want to paste a painting, so we need a hook. So this is nothing but Sham is the wall, it is the parent window where we take the label. So Control C and give V, and here this label will pasted on that Sham wall. So, and after that we have to fix that painting like that. So we have to need a hook. So nothing but hook is what? Then this is the tail of that. Control C and nothing but paste and dot peg, nothing but dot peg, and Control S and press the F5. Then output will appear like that, but output is not so good. So let's start again, customize it. So give it here font family. Yes, so Times New Roman, and also pass the size of text, let's say 25, and now, and separated by comma, and Control S and F5 you will run it. Then this is the most beautiful, but still this is not good way. So you can also pass the background color, let's say BZ, and BZ is blue, same as that of the color of our parent. So what I made it nothing but just put comma and Control S and run F5. Then you will find, yes, marquee animation, but the font color is black. So FG is foreground color, text which appear on your window which will change by that thing. So white. Okay, put the comma, separated, and F5 run. Yes, you will find such a thing. Okay, that's clear. And now create a function. That is the most important. Create a function. So what is the name of function? Just and marquee. My function name is marquee. Okay, and inside the function I will write something beautiful thing, and if I able to write that thing, then our marquee function will continue. So here I will call auto calling function. So take a label, same thing, Control C, and here paste and take it label in required, let's say, X format, and this is the label and this is the label. And what is the text? Show on marquee, nothing but just show on marquee. Okay, this is sufficient, marquee. Okay, and this text will move in a marquee manner. Okay, let's start. So this is, but as I told you earlier, so if we take label, then we need to paste it on a wall so that it can properly fix there. So here we will fix at that position, because so X dot I pick it. But if I want to place on a particular coordinate, then instead of pick we will take place. Place will able to use the user defined coordinate. So X coordinate and comma Y coordinate. So X coordinate I am passing through nothing but, let's say, 100, and Y coordinate. So Y coordinate are simple, you can say just rand int. It is the random, and inside the pass random coordinate from 10 to what is our maximum position of here is 700. So no, this is the width 1000. So here you have to take let's say 800, up to 800 X position to 10. The range of horizontal movement of that marquee only the 790 pixel, 800 minus 10. Okay, and take it nothing but 100 Y coordinate, and just auto call that function. And how to auto call? X dot nothing but after. How much time after our function will call? So how much time? Let's say 10 second or 100 second or 1000 second, you can say, 10 second, and which function will call? Marquee function will call. So copy and paste that marquee function here and call that again marquee function here. Okay. Yes, if I run it and press F5, then press F5, then yes, oh, okay, marquee is going to in well, and okay, yes, congratulations. So but it is not look like good, so you can increase your speed. So it is 1 millisecond to 1000 millisecond, and 1000 millisecond equal to 1 second, and run the F5 again. So speed will slow. Marquee will like that, and randomly our coordinate are generating by random integer. Okay, this is our main fundamental. So if I took the color black, and this is also black color because we need black color, and now you will take nothing but also black color. So let's take it amazing. And also you have to pass this coordinate also on y coordinate. Okay, on y coordinate. So y is, what is the maximum value? Y is maximum value is the 700. Y is maximum value is the 700. Control S, and here the maximum value for x, 1000. So you can take up to 900. Control S and run F5. The scenario will be completely different. Okay, congratulations, very precious. Okay, and if you will find various marquee is doing there, so this is the main purpose. How to do that. But if you want to do vertical marquee, then what will you do? Nothing but what will you do? Let's say vertical, so fix the x column. Fix the x column at whatever, let's say 200 position. Control S and F, run the nothing but F5. Then output will actually now run it, and here your output okay only in y direction. So why taking the larger range? It's not difficulty. So anyway, so this is the main thing. Okay, and if you really like that video, then please like it and subscribe channel for further updates.